In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Zoho Mail account quickly and easily. Whether it's for work or personal emails, this guide will make the process seamless. Start by opening your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type mailzoho.com and press enter. This will take you to the Zoho Mail homepage. Next, look at the top right corner of the page and click the sign in button. This will open the login page. Here, enter your email address. It could be a standard Zoho email ending with @zoho.com or a custom domain like @yourdomain.com. Make sure there are no typos to avoid login issues. Then enter your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so check your capitalization and special characters. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button. If everything is correct, Zoho Mail will log you in and you'll be taken directly to your inbox, ready to check and manage your emails. If you encounter any issues, double check your email and password or use Zoho's password recovery option. And that's it. Logging into Zoho Mail is simple, fast, and keeps your emails just a few clicks away.